你想喝什么？
水，你呢？
啤酒。
行，服务员。哇塞，真好看！
啊，请问这是什么？
那是猪肉，
那个呢？
这是鸡肉，
这个呢？
那是牛肉，
那是什么？
这是鱼。
好，我们吃吧。
慢慢吃。
怎么样？
好吃，你也喜欢吗？
喜欢。我想喝白酒。
白酒，酒鬼。
Hi there and welcome to a new lesson Beginner's Chinese. My name is Oliver. In order to fully understand this lesson, you must have studied all my previous lessons. The main target of this lesson is to teach you 4 words. First, this and that, followed by a verb. For example, this is chicken and that is fish. Second, this and that, followed by a noun. For example, this dish and that dish. If we don't say the noun, but just this one or that one, then it's slightly different from this and that, followed by a verb. I will now explain to you the dialogue that you just saw, and after that I will show you the same dialogue, but this time without subtitles.
你想喝什么？
Here I ask Wawa, 你想喝什么？
你想喝什么？
想, that means to want.
想。
喝, that is to drink. You can see the little mouth on the left, as it's the mouth that you drink with.
喝。
你想喝什么? You want to drink what?
水，你呢？
Wawa replies, 水, Nina. As you know, Nina means, what about you?
水，你呢？
This character, 水, means water. With a bit of imagination, you can see the shores on the left and right side, and the water flowing in between, 水.
水。
啤酒。
I say 啤酒, and that means beer.
啤酒。
酒, that means alcoholic drink. From beer to wine and whiskey, they are all different kinds of 酒. Beer, that's the pea drink, or 啤酒. And this character actually looks like a bottle with a cork. Can you see it? 酒.
酒。行，服务员。
Wawa says, 行, 服务员. 行, as you know, that means okay.
行，服务员。
服务, that means service.
服务。
And yuan, that's a person. This character actually looks like a walking person.
员。
服务员, that's a service person, or in English, a waiter.
服务员。哇塞，真好看！
Once the food has been served, Wawa says, 哇塞，真好看.
哇塞，真好看！
哇塞 has no direct translation. It's one of those sounds with a certain meaning. That explains the little mouth on the very left. It expresses the same sensation as oh my god.
哇塞，
哇塞，真好看. Oh my god. Jen, as I once said in an earlier lesson, means really. And then she says 好看. The verb 看 means to see or watch.
看。
好看 literally means good to see. In English, that will be beautiful.
好看。
哇塞，真好看 Oh my god, really beautiful.
请问这是什么？
I say, 请问这是什么? The only new word in this sentence is 这, and that means this, followed by a verb.
这。
请问这是什么? Please ask, this is what?
请问这是什么？那是猪肉。
Wawa replies, 那是猪肉. Na, that means that, also followed by a verb.
那。
猪, that's a pig.
猪。
Ro, that means meat.
肉。
So, 猪肉, that means pig meat or pork. In Chinese, the accent is on the meat, so 猪肉.
猪肉。
那是猪肉, that is pork.
那是猪肉。
那个呢？
I ask, 那个呢? As you know, ne at the end means, and what about?
那个呢？
那个, that means that, followed by a noun. For example, that dish. But if we skip the noun in English, we would say that one, 那个.
那个。这是鸡肉。
Wawa replies, 这是鸡肉. This is 鸡 meat.
这是鸡肉。
鸡, that's a chicken.
鸡。
So, 鸡肉, that is chicken meat.
鸡肉。
这个呢？
I ask, 这个呢? And what about 这个?
这个呢？
这个, that means this one. Just like 那个, that one. You can put a noun behind it.
这个。那是牛肉。
Wawa says, 那是牛肉. That is new meat. New, that's a cow.
牛。
So, 牛肉 means beef.
牛肉。
那是什么？
那是什么? That is what.
那是什么？这是鱼。
She says, 这是鱼. This is you.
这是鱼。
鱼, that's a fish.
鱼。
好，我们吃吧。
I say, 好，我们吃吧. Okay, we eat. With ba at the end, I make that imperative more friendly. Let's eat.
好，我们吃吧。慢慢吃。
Wawa says, 慢慢吃. Enjoy your meal.
慢慢吃。
慢, that means slowly.
慢。
In other words, enjoy your meal in Chinese is slowly, slowly eat. 慢慢吃.
怎么样？
Here I ask, 怎么样? This question is one of the most frequently asked questions in Chinese, so be sure to remember this one.
怎么样？
First, 怎么, how, which you shouldn't mix up with 什么, what.
怎么
Second, young, which means appearance or form.
样
怎么样? Literally, how is the appearance? In English, we would say, how is it? Or if you ask it to a person, how are you?
怎么样？好吃，
Wawa says, 好吃, good eat, or delicious. As I just told you, 好看, that was good see or beautiful. Good eat, that is delicious.
好吃。你也喜欢吗？
She asks, 你也喜欢吗? 喜欢 means to like, so she asks, you also like?
你也喜欢吗？
And I reply saying, 喜欢, I like.
我想喝白酒。
Then I say, 我想喝白酒. I want to drink the 白 drink. 白 that means white.
白
The white drink, or 白酒, is a kind of Chinese vodka with 40 or more % alcohol. Good stuff.
白酒，
我想喝白酒. I want to drink 白酒.
我想喝白酒。酒鬼，
And then she calls me a 酒鬼. Gui, that's a ghost. So, 酒鬼, that's an alcohol ghost or a drunkard.
酒鬼，
Right, now I will show you the dialogue once more, but this time without subtitles.
你想喝什么？
水，你呢？
啤酒。
行，服务员。哇塞，真好看！
嗯，请问这是什么？
那是猪肉，
那个呢？
这是鸡肉，
这个呢？
那是牛肉，
那是什么？
这是鱼。
好，我们吃吧。
慢慢吃。
怎么样？
好吃，你也喜欢吗？
喜欢。我想喝白酒。
白酒，酒鬼。